So this is a big and huge announcement. So recently YouTube ने एक बहुत ही सही काम किया, but I think we just got lucky क्योंकि generally this feature दिया जाता है for people with subscription over 30,000 या फिर 30,000 subscribers से ज़्यादा जिनका होता है उनको ये ऑप्शन दी जाती है. बट वी आर जस्ट 2.7 2.8K राइट नाउ. बट यूट्यूब ने डिसाइड किया, आई डोंट नो वाई एंड हाउ, बट हमको अभी ये ऑप्शन दिया गया है टू पुट मेंबरशिप ऑप्शन, विच मीन्स you can support us in our ventures of investigating the paranormal and spreading the right knowledge or bringing light into darkness. शायद सबको ही पता होगा अगर if you are following other YouTubers, हम लोगों ने भी 3 टायर्स डिसाइड किए हैं of different categories with different perks, जो कि आप अगर सिलेक्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी गेटिंग द एक्सेस टू ऑल ऑफ देम. पहला टायर का नाम है हमसा, सेकंड टायर का नाम है आई ऑफ हॉरस, जो थर्ड टायर है उसका नाम है द ग्रैंड पेंटिकल. अभी हमसा, आई ऑफ हॉरस, ग्रैंड पेंटिकल है क्या? नाउ ऑल these 3 symbols are the most powerful symbol in the spiritual world. They protect you from evil eye, they protect you from negative spirit, they protect you from negativity and all of that. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो हमसा है, हमसा इज़ वन ऑफ द एंशंट इजिप्शियन सिंबल जो कि आपको ईविल आई से प्रोटेक्ट करती है. एंड येस, वी हैव अ टायर बाय द नेम हमसा. दूसरा टायर जो है उसका नाम है आई ऑफ हॉरस. अगर आप आई ऑफ हॉरस के बारे में गूगल करोगे, you will get to know a lot about it. It also represents our pineal gland, which is responsible for our third eye chakra ह्यूमन बॉडी में. तो वो भी आई ऑफ हॉरस जैसे ही दिखता है. इवन दैट इज़ अ सुपर पावरफुल सिंबल इन द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. एंड द थर्ड एंड द फाइनल कैटेगरी और द टायर वी हैव इज कॉल्ड द ग्रैंड पेंटिकल. ग्रैंड पेंटिकल अगर आप देखोगे आपको होश उड़ जाएंगे, बिकॉज इट इज़ ह्यूज एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल सिंबल टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम नेगेटिव स्पिरिट, नेगेटिव इमोशंस, एनीथिंग दैट इज़ नेगेटिव.
तो हमारी जो पहली कैटेगरी है दैट इज़ हमसा, विच इज़ ओनली फॉर ₹59. अगर आपने ये कैटेगरी चूज़ करी है देन यू गेट स्पेशल डिस्काउंट्स ऑन आवर वेबिनार्स. नाउ दोज हु हैव बीन फॉलोइंग अस, आप जानते हैं दैट वी होल्ड रेगुलर वेबिनार्स, so you get special discounts on that. Then the second thing is discount on our meetups. So we travel different cities, हम लोग बहुत सारी cities travel करते हैं and we hold paranormal meetups. And if you are a part of this category, you get special discounts on our meetups. The third thing that you receive is that you receive special shout outs. So if you have a channel, या फिर if you don't have a channel, then your name, you will receive special shout outs on our every video. And yes, of course, the loyalty patches right next to your name. So this is what you get if you choose Hamsa. Then the next category is Eye of Horus, which is only for ₹159. And if you choose this category, you get all of the Hamsa plus you get an early access to our videos. That means आप जो हमारी videos हैं उसको बाकियों से पहले देख सकते हैं. Then you get to see behind the scenes, that is our pre-investigations, investigations, basically the parts that are not included in our main videos. You get to see that, something like this. And you also get an access to the exclusive segment of our podcast, which will be recorded especially for our members who choose this category.
And finally the Grand Pentacle, which is only ₹399 per month. But if you select Grand Pentacle, आपको apart from जो पहले के 2 टायर से जो कुछ भी मिल रहा है, आपको और भी एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें मिलेंगी. For example, you are going to be a part of members only live stream. We will join together and we'll discuss the paranormal, we'll discuss about our life, we'll have fun and we'll stream together on YouTube and everything that will be fun. सेकेंड थिंग ये होने वाला है कि यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑटोग्राफ और signatures from our reputed guests जो कि हमारे paranormal chat show में आते हैं. Those who have no idea, paranormal chat show is a segment where we invite people from the horror industry to have a chat with us. Apart from that, और एक चीज़ जो सही होने वाली है is that we, for example me and Pooja are going to follow you on your Instagram handle or Twitter, and you can follow us back, and yeah, we will be getting in touch with each other on social media, so that can be Twitter or Instagram, and yeah, we'll have fun again. We'll see how interesting you are in real person. Apart from that, the most important thing is you are going to get heavy discounts on the courses that we provide. Those who don't know, we provide paranormal and metaphysical courses, and if you are part of this this membership, then you'll be getting heavy discounts on the courses that we provide. So yeah, this is what you are going to get if you select any of those 3 tiers. लेकिन बता दूँ, this is not going to affect हमारे videos या फिर how we are putting the videos. The normal videos will be there as usual, but I think by this YouTube is helping us in earning something extra, because the things that you see, the devices we buy or the travels that we make depends on something that we call as money, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a much, because we're still at a very early stage, but whatever it is, it will certainly motivate us to work more hard. But yeah, like I said, if you are not taking the membership, no hard feeling, nothing like that, but if you are taking it, then yeah, you will be getting these special things,
and it will be a great support for us.
Yes, and a motivation as well.
Definitely.
To do all of that, and we would love to show you what is happening behind the scene, because बहुत कुछ होता है जो हम नहीं दिखाते, हम लोग सेंसर कर देते हैं, and a lot of things happens, and it will be amazing to stream live with you people, or go live with you people, or get in touch personally in a personal life. It will be all amazing.